Preheating the ceramic shells before pouring is a critical step in the investment casting process. It removes residual moisture, prevents thermal shock, and ensures the metal flows smoothly inside the mold. Proper preheating directly contributes to better surface quality, structural integrity, and overall casting reliability. During pouring, molten metal fills the preheated ceramic shells with precision and control. This operation demands strict temperature management and experienced handling to ensure complete filling and sound castings. A controlled pouring process is essential to achieve consistent quality and meet the highest technical standards.
Experience, responsibility, and commitment to excellence. Nearly 2 decades of dedication. Thank you, Pedro.